Hi y'all, I'm Joseph Aloysius Coltrane, but my friends call me Bubba Joe. Well, it's been over a year, and the moment I've been waiting for is just about to happen. Tomorrow, we're supposed to have another invasion. And this time, I'm going to be ready. I've got me my tinfoil hat. Them bastards ain't going to read my thoughts this time, and their technology ain't going to get to me. Alright, so let me show you how to do it. You just take your regular old tinfoil, you roll out really good size. Now make sure the shiny part sticks out, and then everything will just bounce right off of it. If you do it on the regular side, it'll just come right in. Flatten it out. Here we go. Then, you just take it, go around, just like that. Then you fold this one over here, and there you go. Kind of reminds me of my youngin' days when I still had hair. Got myself a tinfoil mullet. If you don't want anybody to be able to hear you, this is what you do. You got that number right there. Then you fold this in just like that. You can even fold this part of it in. Just kind of fold. Oh, there you go. Huh? Watch this. Now, and fold it over. So now they can't change your thoughts and they can't get in your head. And then they can't hear you either. Seems like I'm ready for tomorrow.